In this video, I will share with you how to apply for DMV Non-Driver ID on New York. So go to this website, dmvnewyork.gov, and then from here, go to license, this section, click on this one. After that, when you click this one, guys, just click this one. After that, click non-driver ID card and then scroll down. You have two options here, get a non-driver ID. If you want to apply the first time, click this one, a person with lawful state in the UA, any age. This is in case for any age, guys, and you can get a non-driver for one. Click this one. After that, scroll down. You should be read all this one. This is for person for any age. You can apply this one. If I scroll down, guys, and click on this section, apply for non-driver here, and then click get pre-skin. This for the price. Maybe, guys, you can check the plugin and you see all these prices. If you want to apply directly to DMV, click one. This is required application. You can check this required application and fees. This is under age 16 for valid years. This is the fees, as you can see here, fee. You just click apply directly, this option. Click apply. After that, you will see this page. When you click apply, you will redirected to this form. This is how to apply for New York non-driver license. Make sure complete this file, as you can see here, guys. This is how you can apply. You can read here and you can complete this PDF form. Write your ID document here. 6 point. This one, proof of name points, and read all this page and complete this one. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I will guide helpful for you.